And I'm back. Um, let's play Knytt Stories Rainy Day Adventure. Hooray, an actual intro. It's dumb. Anywho. To the unidentified entity perched in my main core, please remove yourself post-haste. Beep. Kitty? Could this be Mittens? Press down to pick her up. Yay! I'm currently recording this while I'm uploading a video. Hopefully this does not, hopefully, yeah. You know what I mean. Time to return Mittens back to Mittens' owner. I do not know the gender. There you go, little girl. Yay! Now I have a double jump. Time to go up here. Whoa. Almost died. That would have been terrible. Okay. Area 5. A cloud. Huh. Hmm. Huh? There you go. Yeah. Oh. Yay, I'm out. Okay. Yay, more beautifulness. Huh. What's over here? Okay, not an area we need to go to yet. And now we are in the desert, or ruins, or whatever. We are the desert ninjas. These ruins are our home. Okay, good for you. Chillin'. Us ninjas are born through decades of training. It's a lot of the time have natural ninja talent. Okay. I like them. They're nice. Turning the volume up while I'm in front of a ninja that could kill me. Okay, there we go. I like the music. That was dumb. I'm just gonna assume that nothing is there and just move on with my life. I'm playing hide and seek with my friend. I can't find him anywhere. Have you seen him? No. Huh? Area 6, now Area 8? No, he's down. There. Here. I mean, Your friend is very good at hiding. I applaud. And now the ground is blue, which is my favorite color, by the way. I like blue. Yay! Now I can infiltrate. What is over here? Okay, so now we have the freaking hologram, which is a device that allows us to make holograms. We can... Oh, hey, milk! I wonder what we have to do. Dying is not the answer. Something else that I really respect about about the game is the music. The music is really, really, really beautiful. Also, fun fact, with the level editor, in case people don't know, or if they do, I'm just wasting my time talking because it's all I ever do. The more you put these enemies on the screen, the less white stuff that shoots. Moving on. Hey, the red key. Now I can open whenever I need it to open. Eh. That was close. I hope my cursor's hidden. That would really suck. Yay! Okay, that's another area done. In case you're wondering what I'm using as a recording device, I'm using Bandicam Pro. Yep. I think someone tried to open my door. I don't know. I currently have like a bajillion roommates at the moment. Huh? Nothing's too dangerous for Junie. I did not notice that. Ooh, oh jeez, no, never mind. Oh. Um. Ah. Okay, now I'm just being really dumb. Let's try. Yay! Enough of this dumb, stupid move I keep making. No, that was not fair. Now just using a different tactic is killing me more. Oh, hey. Yeah, oh god. And we are past that. Yay! Now I can just jump on clouds. I'm actually really enjoying this level. Level. Ooh, what's up here? Nothing! Okay. Area 9. Rain God. How many areas are in this game? I'm just actually curious. I am the rain god of this land. I have heard the pleas of those below to stop the rain. But my grand plans have no place for your pathetic cries. Boss battle? I don't know. Can I leave? Gee, I can leave. Yay. Oh. That explains everything. Oh, you found me. Ahem. That's just me in here. Alrighty, so... I've been sad for a while, so I made it rain. I'll turn it off if you want. And the rain has stopped. And with this, I have made my third video. Yay. Teehee.